Okay, welcome everyone to Module 4. In this module we are going to do some reviewing of technology in your field. So you'll be going out and investigating some different technologies that you think would be important for you to utilize in your area of expertise or your field. So whether it's elementary education, high school education, education of a different sorts, whatever area you want to go into, you're going to review different technologies that you think might be helpful. Okay. This could be anything from specialized hardware, helpful website, software, apps, anything like that that would really you would find beneficial for your particular area of expertise. So, if you are working with children with physical limits, then you might want to go out and find a some sort of adaptive technology that could help them out. If you are in art or dance, you might want to find some sort of technologies that can help in that area, and so on. Okay, I'll really leave it up to you to be creative to find the different things that you think will be helpful. Okay, now you're going to find and review 3 different technologies. Okay, you are going to then create a Google presentation. I'll show you how to do that in a second. And when you're finished with the Google presentation, you are then going to give a presentation to using a screencast program that we're going to use. Now the reason for that is because we are in an online class and you can't give a face-to-face presentation, so you're going to use this screencast tool to give your presentation. And those of you who are unfamiliar with a screencast, it's exactly what I'm doing right now, what you're watching. This is a screencast video where you're watching my screen movements. Okay? So, part 1, as I said, is you're going to create a Google presentation of your topic. We're going to use Google presentation, not PowerPoint, OpenOffice, Keynote. Okay, Google presentation, although it doesn't have as many features, it's much more powerful because it is a web-based app. It's a collaborative tool, and I just want you to get familiar with using these as opposed to Microsoft Office products or OpenOffice or even the Apple products. Okay, Google presentation will just it's much more convenient for you. Trust me on that. So in your presentation for each technology, you're going to name the technology. You'll provide a URL of that technology so that we could learn more about it. You'll add an image or images that help us give an idea of what the technology does, and then a description of the technology and an explanation of how you would use it in your field. Okay. Now I'm not going to give you any word limits or anything like that on these. It's whatever you feel is important, and I feel when I read it that I will get enough knowledge out of what the technology is. Okay. So let me show you, for those of you who are new to Google presentation, I'll do a quick overview on how to start that. I'm going to go to my ASU page, and I'm going to come down here to the left hand side and look for the My Drive icon. Okay, and from there you are going to go up to this new button and you'll pick Google Slides. Now from there you can pick a theme or a template, whatever you like to use. There's some preloaded themes that might pop up on the right hand side. Otherwise you can look for the theme button over here. So let's see, I will just pick one here. Okay, when my theme loads, I can just put a title slide. My name in there, and as you can see, it's got the basic feel of a PowerPoint presentation or a keynote or something like that. Now if I look up above, I've got my title slide down. If I look up above and I see untitled presentation, if I click on that, it'll automatically change to whatever I titled my my title slide here. Okay, so you want to make sure you, instead of having untitled presentation, change that to some title. Okay, so I've got a home slide. Now I can add a new page. If I click this little drop down arrow, it'll give me some different options to choose from. Okay, so I might just choose this one here. Okay, and then I can add slides just like how I would for the different programs that you might have used. Okay, now I can also insert pictures in here. I can insert videos. If you have like a tutorial video that might work for your technology, go ahead and import that, and it works nicely with YouTube, so I can just search for a YouTube video on my topic. Okay, so I've got one that's already somewhat created. I've got my home slide here. My second slide here is I chose to do Powtoons. Okay, so I've got my image, I've got my website here. My third page here is a description, so Powtoons is, and then I would add my description here. Okay, roughly 3 to 5 sentences should work. If I wanted to add another page, let's say I want to do, okay, maybe a caption, maybe I go out and find a Powtoons how-to video. Okay, I could do that as well, and then I will go up to Insert, Video, and I can just do a search for Powtoons. Maybe I watch them, how to use Powtoons. Perfect. Okay, this is 11 minutes. Okay, maybe I select this one, and it'll come right in. Oh, looks like it wanted to come in the second page, so I will just cut it and paste it. Okay, nothing to it. Alright, move it around. So that would be an example of one technology, and then I'd add my second and my third technology. Okay, so that is part one of your presentation. Part two is going to be to give a 5-minute presentation max. Okay, the technology or the program that we're going to use has a cap of 5 minutes, so you'll have to make sure that you can either talk fast or plan it out well so that you're done in 5 minutes. So to give the presentation, you're going to record a screencast video of yourself narrating the Google presentation. Okay. Now I've got resources below. The program that you can use, it's a free program, is called Jing, and I've got directions for how to create a screencast, how to install it, and some other features and whatnot. Okay, I do have a note down here if you need help with this assignment. There is a technology lab in Farmer 102 that you can go to get help. I'm obviously available over email or during office hours. We can connect on video conference if you need to, but this program Jing is very easy to use, and I'll just kind of give you a brief demonstration here of how to use it. Once you have Jing installed, you'll notice that up in the upper right hand corner up here on a Mac, on a PC it'll come up in the middle, on a Windows computer it'll come up in the middle part. I'm not sure that you won't be able to use it on an iPad, I know, and you won't be able to, I'm not sure if the Surface Pros allow for it or not, but on a normal computer you can certainly use that. But you'll get this sun that comes up, and you've got 3 options here. Okay, the video down here shows you all about this, but I'll just do a quick demonstration of my review. So maybe I'll drag across just this part. Okay, and I can capture a video. Yeah, you'll see that it'll do a little countdown, and this might not work because I'm creating a screencast within a screencast, and you see that it's going, it's recording, the timer's going up. I've got 5 minutes max. Okay, and I'm going to talk through my technology. Review of technology by Todd Kosicki. My first technology is Powtoons. The website is powtoon.com, and Powtoons is, and I would talk about my description. Here's a short video. I wouldn't show your video during your screencast presentation if you do add a video, just because you only have the 5 minutes. Okay, all right. I go through all 3 of my technologies. I finish. Okay, I can preview it and whatnot. So I don't want to go too much into how to create the screencast because the how-to screencast is right here, so you'll watch that first. I just wanted to give you an overview of your total assignment altogether. Okay, so your first thing is you're going to review 3 technologies, then you're going to create a Google slide presentation, and then you're going to create a screencast presentation. Okay, these 2 things, part 1 and part 2, are items that you're going to submit into your portfolio down here, and I have another screencast that'll show you how to get them into your portfolio, creating a new page called Technology Review where your screencast shows up in your portfolio and you have a link to your Google presentation. Okay, but all of the resources that I have provided for you will help you do this. Okay, I know we've got the screencast that you're watching right now. You've got this screencast on how to create a screencast, and you've got the screencast for how to put that screencast and Google slide presentation into your portfolio. Okay, so that's it for module 4. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, thank you.